Our group payment system really takes the hassle out of collecting money from your group. When you book with us, you will receive an email with login details. To pay your deposit, simply log in using the details provided by email. When logged in, you can see full details of your package. In order to pay your deposit, click the payment button, then tick the box beside your name and click the package from the drop-down list. Then click Proceed to Payment. Select the appropriate card, click the Terms and Conditions box and select Pay Now. Once your deposit is paid, you can start adding other invitees. Each invitee will now receive notification of the hen or stag, and they can pay themselves online. You as group organizer will receive notification when each invitee makes a payment, and you can check who has outstanding payments. If you'd like any additional packages or have any queries, you can email our team and we'll help straight away. It's super simple. So what are you waiting for? Call a member of our team today and start organising the easy way with Hen and Stag Sligo now.